to my channel. This is Shubhi and today's video is a product review video. Today I'll review this Maybelline Master Blush Palette. This is a blush and highlighter palette, guys, and for me this is a eyeshadow palette too. I don't own any other palette than this. This works as a highlighter, as an eyeshadow, as a blush for me. So yes guys, let's get started with the review. But before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. So we'll talk about the price of the product and it retails at rupees 890. But guys, don't order this at this price because on Nykaa you can easily get this at 25% discount, approx 660 rupees. Yes guys, I ordered at this amount only, so no need to order this on MRP. Frequently Nykaa put this product on discount, so don't order this on MRP. And this is the packaging, guys. They don't provide any mirror with the palette. That is one of the biggest drawback of this palette, and they clearly provide the instructions at the back that how to apply this. The manufacturing date and the expiry date is clearly mentioned on the palette. It lasts for 3 years, which is a good amount of time, and you get a 13.5 gram of product. So guys, if we talk about the blush shades, the first shade is a peach shade, which is a very light color, and that is very good for the daily purposes. Like if you're going to the office, you can easily put this on. I usually apply this only while going to the office. And the second shade is a pink basic shade. You can find this shade in any of the blush palette. This is very easily available. So this is a very basic pink shade. And the third shade is a plum shade. I don't think this shade will look good on fair skin tone because this is a very dark shade, or you can apply this like very lightly if fair skin tone people want to go with this shade, but this is particularly meant for the dusky skin people, and this color is very nice when applied in a right amount. So these are the 3 shades, and this is the highlighter, guys. This is basically a rose gold color. So guys, they are very matte in shade. They don't have any shimmer except the highlighter. Blush don't have any shimmer. You can find a little bit of shimmer in a pink shade, but rest two are very matte. So now guys, I'll show you the swatches so you get a better idea of the colors. Swatches. So that's all about today, guys. Hope you like the video, and if you do, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to watch more.